the good crocodile.
Hello. La 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 la. Huh?
Hello, Crocky.
Hello.
Ooh, what is it, Crocky? What sound is that?
Huh?
That sounds like a bird. Why don't you get your binoculars and see which one it is?
Okay. Oh.
That's a woodpecker. Woodpeckers have long beaks and they use it to peck on wood. Is that the sound you heard?
No.
Then why don't we keep searching?
Ah. Huh?
That's a parrot. They have small orange beaks and some can also mimic sounds. That's the sound, isn't it?
Oh. Huh? Oh. Oh.
Is that the sound you heard?
Huh? Ah.
Let's find out which bird it is.
Okay.
That's a toucan. They're known for their big and colorful bills.
Ooh.
A toucan has the longest bill out of any bird in the world in relation to their body size.
Oh.
Is that the sound you heard, Crocky?
No.
Hey kids, can you tell us which bird that is? Correct! That's an eagle. A bald eagle. Well done, kids! A bald eagle has a sharp hook-shaped beak and strong eyesight that helps it to search and hunt down its prey. But that doesn't sound like what you heard, does it, Crocky?
No. Huh?
Oh, what's that? Oh, that is an African ostrich. That is the world's largest bird. An African ostrich is the fastest two-legged bird in the world. Is that the bird you heard?
No.
That sounds like it's coming from the lake. Well done, Crocky! We've managed to find the bird. Kids, do you know which bird that is? That's a flamingo! Well done! Flamingos stand on one leg when they're resting. And they're usually 4 to 5 feet tall and are normally pink in color.
Wow.
Oh, so that's the sound you heard. Well done, Crocky. You managed to find the flamingo. And we learned so many things about different bird species. Wonderful, Crocky. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
So what did we learn today, kids? We learned about different birds from different parts of the world, such as a woodpecker, a parrot, a toucan, an eagle, an ostrich, and a flamingo. Good job, kids. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to watch the latest videos by the good crocodile.
Thank you.